All right. We are AGT. We are a registered startup, and my name is Afghan, and I work for the Scientific Research Institute of Animal Husbandry and Fishing. And we built this new startup because we knew from inside out that what are the main problems of the animal husbandry problems inside the country. So we decided by building this startup to solve holistically the problems of the animal husbandry in the country, and then use this model, customize for each country, and apply globally. Basically, our mission and vision is several steps in the chain. It starts with health, with farmer, and then the next step in the chain is insurance, which comes after farmer and related with farmers, animals, insurance, and such. The next level on the chain is food security, and then the credit, the agrarian credits, and then the sales between the farmers, and then the training of those farmers, and at last, the land and the property which farmers are using. Initially, we want to start with 5,000 farmers, but in future, after a year, to apply to cover the complete country. The problem usually are the most problem we have today is three. It's basically outdated methods due to which every year we lose 20%, up to 20% of livestock. And the second major problem for us in the country is the diagnostic tools. I mean, they are old, outdated. And the third major problem is that we have a low level of digital adoption. These are the problems, but we also have solutions to it. We see the solution as a mobile application, a simple mobile application in a gamified version used among farmers. It can be customized into Russian and English and Chinese languages, or even Korean language, without a problem. The purpose of this application is going to be it's going to be used in a smart farming for data and regional relevance. And as you see, also we also have an opportunity to integrate it with the policy, state policy, with the Ministry of Agriculture and other related ministries. As you see here, the beneficiaries of the project are farmers. Starts with farmers, and then it moves to veterinarians who are related with the farmers. After veterinarians, it's the insurance companies, and then after insurance, it's usually the food security, and then the trainers and the relevant research institutes in the sector, and then at the top, ministry. And each of them have their own problems, and we offer our own solution, how we can solve to each of them. And our purpose is aiming the next 3 years, and we also have we think using these data sources, we can solve all these problems all at once by benefiting all of them. The product service is, our product service is generating income up to 15% from 5,000 farmers and reduce the mortality up to 20%. Only by 10,000 downloads. We approximately calculate 2,000 of active users are enough to start for the beginning and to polish the data accuracy. What this application will also give us is like a new 15 part-time jobs, new 15 employees, and it will allow us to generate 100,000 manat in the first year, which is approximately 70,000 USD. The model, the prototype, the MVP is like this. As you can see, it's the animals. We have also AI chatbot where a farmer can research, investigate any kind of sickness. It doesn't matter if it's in a poultry or in an animal husbandry and such. They have a market where they can sell, where they can buy, and then there's a registration issue of property and the pasture. Probably this is something related to Azerbaijan, because every year we have animals moving from mountains to, during summer and winter, we have replacements of those animals, and we even consider this in our application. And then we have veterinarians, agrarian insurance, and such. Market is up to 2 billion manat, because the budget of Azerbaijani Ministry of Agriculture is 2 billion manat, which is approximately 1.3 billion USD. The total addressable market is 2 billion manat, which is 1.3 billion USD. The serviceable addressable market is approximately 500 million manat, which is approximately 294 million USD. And the sum out of this, initially we aim to start with 10% of them, to cover them, 10% of them, which is like 40 million approximately. For the first year, it can, in a 3 year, it can allow us to cover 10%, which is approximately 10% of the overall economy, which is 26 million USD in the animal husbandry budget. The business model changes between premium subscription, insurance and credit commissions, and also marketplace fees. This is our team, the team from Ministry, from the Research Institute of Animal Husbandry and Fishing. Our competitors we have local competitors, which is Yonca and AHA Mobile from local ministry, but none of them have any services which we cover. We also have international, global projects, but they also don't offer fully what we offer. As you can see, we have advantages in this table. The financing model is like the funding we are asking is about 147,000 USD, and we offer equity of 15%. And the budget is going to be allocated between these areas, like 50% in AI and tech development, 20% in deployment, and the rest as you see. And expected investment, return of investment is approximately 5-8 times within the 3 years. It means if to look at here, it means if you invest 100,000 manat in 3 years, you are earning approximately 500 or 800,000 manat. That's basically it. And if you have any questions, please feel free. Thank you for your attention.